Today, you're going to learn about an app that will help you earn a good amount of money. By good amount of money, I don't mean that you can make a living with this app. All I am saying is that you can earn pocket money equivalent to paying your Netflix bill during your spare time. Now, let me show you how I earned the money with payment proof. I'll first show you the payment proof, and then I'll tell you how you can earn a few bucks in your free time, step by step. So I have withdrawn $3.32 using PayPal. You can see that it says, you have received $3.32 using AttaPoll. By the way, we are going to make online using the app called AttaPoll. And AttaPoll makes sure that your earnings are sent fully when using PayPal. If you've earned $5, then they will send your $5 without any taxation. You are not limited to PayPal, you can withdraw your earnings as gift cards, and there are various options to withdraw your earnings, depending on the location you are based on. That's about the payment proof. Let's explore the app and learn how to make the best use of it. Okay, to download the app, you can simply click the link in the description and download the app from Play Store or the App Store, depending on what device you're on. After installing the app, just open the AttaPoll app. The first thing that you're gonna do is to register to the app using your email address. I have already registered it earlier. After you are done with the registration, click the Setting tab. And then click on the Enter Referral Code. Here, you can enter my code that you can see on the screen now, or you can enter the referral code of friends if they already use this app. When you click the Invite Friends tab, you can see that you can also share your referral link to earn 10% of the money earned by a friend that you referred to. You can click the Invite Friends option to share your referral link. You can see here that I have already earned a few bucks from my referral. My total earnings are $3.31. Now, in the Home tab, you see a list of surveys for which they will pay you on completion. Currently, there are no surveys available, but they will soon be available in some minutes or hours. This is a profile survey that they frequently ask, and the best part is that they do pay for this, so let's try this one. You can see that my balance is updated to $332. This was a profile survey, so you don't get much here, but there will be other surveys that will pay you from $1 to $10. To get more surveys, you have to be honest with your answers and try not to get rejected. This way, you will get tons of surveys that pay more. I just started today, earning $3 already with just 2 surveys and a referral. Okay, now let's withdraw our earnings. I am withdrawing $3 because the minimum amount to withdraw money is $3. You cannot withdraw your earnings until you reach $3. On the Balance tab, you can withdraw your earnings in the form of gift cards. The gift cards will be available based on the country you reside. I'll withdraw using PayPal, so let's click the PayPal icon. Here, enter your PayPal ID and click Submit. Click Yes to confirm. Okay, it says that the payment is complete. You can see that we have received an email saying that we have received $3.32. The money was sent to my PayPal account instantly. Let's check it on PayPal. You can see that we have received the exact amount that we earned. There is no deduction for taxation. If you found this video helpful, then do check out these videos to make more money online.